Hi, I'm Kirk with Tomahawk, and if you're watching this, you probably got water where it doesn't belong. That's where this Tomahawk commercial dehumidifier comes in. Standing water is easy to clean up. It's the moisture hiding in the air, walls, and floors that likes to stick around. So, whether you do this for a living or this is your first time using one, I'll show you how to set it up, get it drying, and get your space back to normal. First, stop the water source and remove any visible water. The more water you remove up front, the faster the drying process will be. Tomahawk dehumidifiers are built for high-capacity moisture removal, and with LGR, or low-grain refrigerant technology, they keep pulling moisture even as the space gets drier. Now, this unit is rated for spaces up to 14,000 square feet, but square footage isn't everything. Check the Pint Rating too. That tells you how much moisture it can remove per day. Once you've sized the job, give the unit plenty of room to breathe. Keep the intake and exhaust clear, and close doors and windows whenever possible. On bigger jobs, pair it with air movers. They push moisture into the air and the dehumidifier pulls it out, helping everything dry faster. Next, connect the drain hose and route it to the floor drain, utility sink, or another drainage point. Before you move on, take 5 seconds and check the hose. No kinks, no blocks, nothing pinched under a door. Now, give the machine a quick once-over. Check the power cord, then inspect the air filter. A dirty filter is going to choke off airflow and slow you down. Give it a quick check, and if it's dirty, clean or replace it. If everything looks good, plug the unit into a 15 amp outlet and press the power button. The unit starts in auto mode, and you can adjust your target humidity using the plus and minus buttons on the control panel. The fan starts first, then the compressor kicks on after a short delay. If it doesn't start immediately, don't panic. It's just protecting the refrigeration system, not taking a coffee break. Once it's running, the display keeps everything right in front of you: temperature, humidity, and runtime. As the room dries, the LGR system keeps pulling moisture out while the auto defrost clears any frost buildup so the unit can keep running. And that's really what you want on a long drying job. Set it up, check in on it, and let it run while you take care of everything else. Every job dries a little differently, so keep an eye on your conditions and let the machine work. Your goal is getting those wet affected areas back to a normal moisture level. Once everything's dry, hit the power button and let the shutdown cycle finish. And before you move it, hold the purge button for 3 seconds to clear any water left in the pump. Trust me, you'd rather drain it here than in the back of your truck. One last tip: as you roll up the drain hose, lift it as you go and let the leftover water run out. Then disconnect the hose, wrap up the cord, and keep the unit upright when you move or store it. That's what I like about this Tomahawk unit. It pulls out the moisture, drains itself, and keeps working as things dry out. Get it set up right, and it takes it from there. Plus, it's backed by a 2-year warranty, so if you ever need a part or have questions, Tomahawk has real people you can talk to. You may never need them, but it's nice knowing you have that built-in support network. Whether it's one room or a whole property, nobody wants to deal with water damage any longer than they have to. The sooner it's dry, the sooner you can get your space back and make water damage yesterday's problem.